Hey guys, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. Hey guys, today let's go through the step-by-step process of assembling this custom device. First, let's unwrap these PCBs from the bubble wrap. So these are the set of custom PCBs from NextPCB. You can see the quality is very good. So let's keep this aside. And here is the packaging box from the NextPCB. First, we need to solder the 2-port connector on the PCB like this. And this is the buck converter, LM2596 DC-to-DC buck converter. We need to step down the voltages. So place it like this. And these are the boost converters. So here we require 2 boost converters for both Ebyte modules. And after that, solder the diode followed by the 10 volt 100 UF capacitor also. So first we need to solder this diode onto the board. And like this. After that, these are the 10 volt 100 UF capacitors. Make sure to check the readings and place them in the correct position on the board. In total, we need a set of 3 capacitors for this board. Make sure to connect in the negative position, positive in the positive. After that, we need to solder the female contacts for the NRF modules. Following that, solder the female header pins for the ESP module. So here we can use the 2 different types of ESPs. So in this video we are using the ESP32 30 pins. Oh, this is how we have to solder the female pins. Meanwhile, I ordered these PCBs from the NextPCB. They offer a wide range of services, including a PCB prototyping, PCB assembly, and more. Ordering PCBs is super simple. Just go to their site, select the PCB code, and select the standard or advanced PCB. Upload your Breadboard file, provide the basic information, and complete the payment. That's it. And now coming to the video, we need to solder all these components like this. As you can see, I'm leaving a slight gap underneath the buck converter because these are the soldering pads located directly underneath it. With the soldering complete, we can place the medium range NRF modules and the ESP module into their respective pin headers. Like this. So you can see the NRF modules are perfectly fit into this board. Here we can use both the medium range and long range modules as well. So here is the ESP. This is how we have to place the modules in the port. Now it's time to flash the firmware. Connect the ESP to your laptop, open your browser, click generic, select combo channel and click connect. You will see your ESP port appear, select the port and click connect. Now just click on install combo channel and hit install. That's it. It will be fully flashed within 2 minutes. Before that, it will erase the board totally, and after that, it will start flashing the firmware to your board. So it will take a little bit of time. So I'll fast forward this video. Now we need to give supply 12 volts to this device. Since I don't have a dedicated 12 volt power supply on hand, I prepared a custom 12 volt source using some lithium ion batteries. Check the output of the buck converter with your multimeter and adjust the voltage down to 5 volt like this. You can see I set this voltage to 5 volts. We are finally ready to test. Place the ESP and NRF modules securely. Before placing the modules, turn off the voltage. And here I am connecting a speaker for this test. When I complete the circuit, it disrupts the signals and jams them. This is how it performs in action. Guys, I also used a Ebyte modules for the long range performance and the results are absolutely insane.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be a friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth in two just to something about this has changed. I want
The results are absolutely insane with these Ebyte modules. I'm getting incredibly long range. So this is the long range antennas. These are 6 dBi antennas I have used in this video. Try to use the same antennas rather than this medium range antennas because the 6 dBi antennas are perfectly fit for this device and it provides a long range. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.